days, the sun sets, and the heart forgives. The heart forgets what will I do now with all this time? What will I do now with all this time?
Thank you, Pita.
I don't know the songs that are new. No, I think I belong to the decade, the era that you belong to. Because I don't know songs in my generation. My aunt is used to have that karaoke version of VHS,
Hmm.
and I used to go to her house to sing. That was during the time that I haven't yet developed thyroidism. So I just like to sing. But now that I have the thyroidism, it's really very difficult. I find it difficult to sing with my thyroidism. No? Notice the new songs.
Even I know very few lyrics.
You know that I think somebody is outside the house. We check on it first. Somebody is calling out.
Ah, okay. Thank you, Alex. PH Adventure. I realize the way your eyes deceive me with tender looks that are for love. But like a big red rose that's made of paper, there isn't any sweetness in your heart. Paper roses, paper roses. Oh, how real those roses seem to be. But they're only imitation, like your imitation love for me. I thought that you would be a perfect lover. You seem so full of sweetness at the start, but like a big red rose that's made of paper, there isn't any sweetness in in your heart. Paper
Step
roses.